Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll look at the words body and buddy, and also how somebody, anybody, and nobody sound like buddy rather than body. So one key distinction here, the main and only distinction in sounds between body and buddy, is that in body, we have letter O, which says the ah sound. So typically we spell ah with letter O in American English. Body, problem, job, not. All of these have the ah sound. The symbol for the ah sound in the IPA is an A like this, and I often write it with AH to think of the ah as a nice open ah sound. So when we're thinking about body, you want to make sure your mouth is open, your tongue is down and flat, and you have a nice open ah sound. Whereas in buddy, letter U says the vowel schwa, the sound, which I often write with letters UH. There the tongue is also at the bottom, but the jaw is not as open. So when I'm saying buddy, my tongue is resting flat at the bottom, but I'm not as open. So between buddy and body, body, my jaw is more open and my tongue is more pushed down. Buddy, my tongue is more flat, central in my mouth, and I have that schwa sound. So for a lot of people, the difference between the and the is difficult. You may tend towards using more of an sound in your words that should have a schwa. A lot of languages have an or they have, so in American English, the is a little further back. The schwa is central. This is the vowel chart. And a lot of languages have an which is more forward than our American in the back, but it's more open than the schwa. So a lot of people will use this vowel for both of these words. That's the error pattern to watch out for. I do have a video talking about vowel schwa and vowel to help you. And have examples like body versus buddy, so you can start to listen to and hear those minimal pairs. But I also want to point out that unfortunately, we have several common everyday words that are spelled like the word body, but are pronounced like the word buddy. So somebody sounds like somebody. So we have our same buddy sound as in above. Nobody sounds like nobody. And anybody sounds like anybody. Yeah, if I wrote these as the spelling of buddy, but they all have the buddy, like that spelling. So be careful that you're learning the difference between body and somebody. In somebody, both the first part of the word, some, and the second part of the word, bud, have the vowel schwa. So both of those have the same sound. It's a good one to use to practice somebody. And you can say, for example, somebody's buddy versus somebody's body. So I hope that helps you with the spelling and the sounds for body versus buddy. It's definitely a tricky one in terms of how they're spelled, and also because there's a frequent common accent error pattern between those two vowels. As I said before, check out more help for those two vowels here on my channel, on the channel with a video for that, and also on my website, speechmodification.com. You can check out our Sounds of English course, which walks you through all of the sounds of English, how they're spelled, what accent error patterns to watch out for, etc., to help you feel very confident and build your skills, a strong foundation to pronounce any word you like confidently and easily in American English. That's our Sounds of English course, and you can find it on our website, speechmodification.com. Check out the playlist for minimal pairs here on the channel as well for other words like body versus buddy, where just one sound is different between the two words. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next class. I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com. Remember, if you want to sound like a native speaker, you can do it. speechmodification.com. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you again soon.